Hi, my name is Jason, and this series is all about building better. In our last video, I shared the big picture for our brand and our new vision. But getting to this point has been both challenging and rewarding. In this video, I'm taking it back to the beginning, the start of our journey and how I built the replacement lens industry out of my apartment in Eugene, Oregon. Like many businesses, Revant started very small. In my case, it was out of my apartment, buried under a mountain of student debt. It didn't make sense to me that people, including myself, were throwing away their favorite sunglasses just because they'd scratched their lenses. I saw an opportunity to challenge a wasteful model. Instead of forcing people to replace their entire sunglasses, why not offer high-quality, affordable replacement lenses? A solution that could save money, reduce waste, and didn't sacrifice on performance. In 2011, I reached out to lens manufacturers all over the world. After a few months, I found several willing to produce replacement lenses and imported my first batch for my favorite Oakley sunglasses. I listed them online, and just like that, Revant was born. At first, I chose to use triacetate materials for Revant lenses because it was affordable and very easy to source. But once I started learning more about lens technology, I quickly realized that I could do better. By transitioning to optical grade polycarbonate for our lenses, we weren't just replacing them, we were actually upgrading them. That shift from simply replacing to truly building better became the foundation for everything we do here at Revant. By 2017, we wanted to take quality to the next level, so we made the bold decision to bring lens manufacturing in-house. We subleased a space, invested in the most affordable lens edger we could find, and we were off to the races. The impact was immediate. Our lens assortment expanded by 80%, all made on demand here in Portland, Oregon. Customers loved it, and our revenue spiked by over 40% overnight. Excitement poured in, and it felt like we were unstoppable. But with rapid growth brings challenges. Demand quickly outpaced our capabilities, and we didn't have the infrastructure to support it. We hit a breaking point. Instead of pushing forward and risking quality, we made a very tough call. We shut down our domestic manufacturing for 4 months. During that time, we completely retooled. We invested in state-of-the-art manufacturing equipment, built a brand new facility with a testing lab, and brought in manufacturing experts to help us create a more stable, scalable process. It was a short-term setback, but one that set us up for long-term success. Fast forward to today, and we've manufactured over 1 million pairs of lenses here in Portland, Oregon. During that time, we've won 2 Manufacturer of the Year awards for Oregon, and most importantly, we built a dedicated team of lens manufacturing experts that are pushing lens technology forward. Through all the highs and the lows, we've learned some invaluable lessons. Never sacrifice quality for growth. Bring in experts early. When things don't go as planned, take the hit to protect your brand and most importantly, your customers. This journey of learning, failing, innovating, and pushing forward is what building better means to us here at Revant. It's about refusing to settle and always striving for our best. Stay tuned, we'll take you inside one of our most ambitious and humbling moments, the launch of sunglasses in 2017. What started out as our next big success quickly became our next failure. We'll break down what went wrong, what we learned, and how it shaped the future of Revant.